Hello everyone, Deb here. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I appreciate you being here, so thank you for that. I am here again for hashtag 52 weeks of colorspiration, and this week is, let's see, Sunday the 19th of October. I am pre-recording this on October 3rd. So I pulled out this book, which I'd only ever done one picture in before, and that was last year. I had done this one November 5th. I don't know if it was for a collab or just because I wanted to. I can't remember. Anyway, I picked another picture in here. I have 3 or 4 fall, autumn books, and this was one of them. And I decided to pick a picture out of here. Now, before I do that, I used my Ohuhu Honolulu B-02 120 markers that I got from Michael's last year, I think, or I don't know. I used 2 colors of these soft pastels for the background. It was a pale blue and a pale grassy kind of green. And I used a little bit of this white jelly roll. I'll show you where I used that, and a little bit of this, and that this is Pigma Archival Ink Pigma pen. I got them in a set of 4, and they're 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. There's different sizes: 005, 03, 01, and then the brush is the thickest one. And that's the only one that worked for what I needed it for. This is a Jelly Roll Sakura. I also bought them in like a pack of 3, and this is the 10 size, the thicker size out of the 3 of them or so. So that's it. Let me get to it. And I was going to keep all the markers out and show you, but it's like a lot of them. So this is what I did. My little scarecrow in the pumpkin patch, and I kind of messed up. I couldn't decide whether these were supposed to be this or pants, and originally I did it as pants, but then that leg was really skinny compared to this one, and I realized it probably should have just been straw sticking out, but I had done some blue, so I put some yellow over and it turned sort of blue-green, but yeah, well, it's all right. It's a girl scarecrow, and she has a skirt, and that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So where I used the white was on the bunny tail, the bunny chest, and also this bunny only had one eye drawn on here. This is clearly got to be AI. It says it's Babe Carpenter. I don't know in the front. It really doesn't say much else as far as, anywhere else does it have a name. Oh, wait, here. Yeah, Middletown Dale. I think this is just Amazon printed, and I think that there might have been an original designer, but there was a lot of pictures in here that are similar. Like there was another scarecrow page back here. This one. It's not the same, but similar, and it's only a couple pages, and I know I did apples last year, and there's another apple page. So there's a lot of similar type pictures, but there were weird things. Like I didn't know what this was at first, and then I just decided it must be raining because there's a weird one there, and a little loopy here that there's no other pumpkin behind it, and then there was what looked like puddles. So I figured it's raining and they're raindrops. That was my story too, and I'm sticking to it in there. The pumpkins, I used like 6 different oranges, and I just mixed and matched, and then I tried to do some shading and some dotting, and I didn't like the dots, so I tried to blend it out, and it kind of got weird. But anyway, and same with the leaves. I did them 2 and 3 colors each leaf. The greens even I used 2 colors. And the straw coming out. I originally just had 1 color, and then I thought straw has texture, so I added some stripes and stuff. Oh, I also used the white in the scarecrow's eyes and teeth. I thought about putting the straw color behind them too because, scarecrow is just like stuffed And this was like, I don't think it was called ivory, but like an ivory color. I was looking for like a white but off-white kind of color, and that's the closest I could come. Because I figured people, when they actually make a scarecrow, they probably use like a pillowcase or a sheet or something to put over the face. And then these, I figure, were like candy corn pieces or something. I don't know. I did. Oh, I also used the white pen to put dots on the band on the hat and on the shirt there. That's about it. Oh, I used a really expensive tool called my finger to do the blending with the, what do I call those things? Chalk pastel? Soft pastel, oh gosh, Marie's soft pastel, 24 colors, which I'm pretty sure I got off Amazon too. Yeah, so I just I tried to add a little texture and color. And I thought about going around the edges with washi tape, but yeah, no, I think it's enough. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you enjoying fall? Are you ready for it? Do you like it? Do you get fall where you're at? Not everybody does, but here on the mid to northeast coast of the United States, we do. The season changes, and it has changed just this week. Really, we're now like highs in the high 60s maybe, if we're lucky, and at night we're going down in the mid 40s to low 50s, and it's wonderful. I don't have to have the heat on, I don't have to have the air conditioning on, and I sleep better at night. Well, last night I did for the first time in 3 or 4 days, but anyway, because it's cool enough, I can actually have a sheet and my bedspread pulled up and I'm not too hot. Yeah, it's been really nice. So I'm enjoying it so far. I'm not looking forward to winter, and I think we're going to have a bad one, but long one, maybe a bad one too, as far as a lot of shoveling and stuff, maybe. We'll see. Yeah. All right, so that's all I have for this morning. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday and a wonderful week ahead. The week of the 19th through the 25th. I don't know if I'll be on more that week because, as I've mentioned before, I have a craft fair coming up November 1st. So probably the next 2 weeks I will be scrambling, trying to figure out what I'm going to take, what'll be in my back inventory in case I sell anything magnificent, haha, and making sure everything that I take is priced and has tags and I know how I'm going to set it up and all that good stuff. Should be doing that now, but I have other things I have to get done, and both my son and I have appointments, several appointments this month, both doctor and car and lab work and anyway, life. Life happens, right? All right, guys, that's all. I'm rambling on. Have a wonderful week ahead. I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace. Thank you for being here.